Hey guys, Zach here with Autofocus. I was going to head out to Coda right now, but because of my little detour, I'm actually going the complete opposite direction. We're heading up to Spicewood, Texas, because we got invited to take photos at a car show that's going on up there. That's where we're going first. All right, guys, we made it to the Deutsche Auto Group and Autocraft event. This lineup is absolutely phenomenal out here. Super crazy, super nice facility too. Hey guys, we just left the Deutsche Auto Group and Autocraftwork event. Saw our friend Dom from Enthusiast Motorsport there. We also met Jose. He's at BMW of South Austin. Phenomenal guy, great personality. So hopefully we'll be in contact with him. Right now we're heading to Coda, finally. We were supposed to start there, but we're heading to Coda. So we're gonna go get some motorcycle action down there at Ride Smart. All right, y'all. You're gonna have to call me the king of detours because I decided we're not gonna settle for hopefully. Finally over here at 1 p.m. we've left BMW of South Austin, and now we are going to Coda for Ride Smart. We're gonna link up with Madison and Alpha Moto. It's gonna be great. We're gonna have a great time over there. I'm gonna get some good shots, but I'm really gonna have to crunch it out. So big shout out to Noel over at BMW and also Brian over there in the service side of things. They were phenomenal, great help. Honestly, everybody there is super friendly, really energetic, great vibes. I mean, the people there are just top tier. So hey, who's that guy? That's it. I'm exhausted, but not nearly as exhausted as these guys that are going to be riding again tomorrow. So if you guys want to come out to Coda tomorrow, it is free to come in and watch them ride on the track. So I think the track goes hot at 8 a.m. and then they're done at around 5. Back to the car we are. There she is. We're going to hop in and we're actually going to another photo shoot right now. So. All right, guys, we just got done taking some photos with the beautiful Austin skyline, and we just got done with some rollers as well. But man, it's 8 o'clock. It's time to go home. So it's time for me to hit the road.